Hey guys, this is Alan. I wanted to do a quick episode of Ride Along Realtor. I am a realtor with Keller Williams Plano, part of the Taylor team here in Dallas-Fort Worth area. And I just wanted to talk about low inventory and maybe explain it in a different way. Now, one of the things about low inventory you understand is in a seller's market, what that means is typically employment opportunities are there. Housing starts, like new construction, haven't caught up with the demand. Like there's waiting lists right now just to even buy a lot to build a home that's going to take a year to build. Interest rates are still historically low, even with the changes that are coming right now, and consumer confidence is high because people believe Dallas is a place that they can move and enjoy their family time and be able to afford it. Another way that I explain this is this. In Collin County, which is around 1 million population, we had 112 new homes come onto the market last week. In the entire Dallas-Fort Worth area, about 2,400 people move into Dallas a week. That means that even if a portion of those were trying to buy these homes, there would be no homes for them to buy. That's why it's low.